Need some peace and quiet while you play Block Blast, or maybe you want the full audio experience? Either way, I've got you covered. Let's take a look at how to turn the sound on or off in the game. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off sound in Block Blast. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Block Blast app on your device. Make sure you're in the main game screen so that you can access the settings. Next, look for the settings icon on the top right or left of your screen. Tap it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll find the sound icon. Here you can control both the background music and sound effects for the game. In order to turn off the sound, simply tap on the sound icon. And if you'd like the sound to turn back on, then tap on the sound icon once again. Once you've set your preferences, simply exit the settings menu. And the game will automatically save your sound settings. And that's how you turn the sound on or off in Block Blast. Now you can play however you like, whether you need some quiet or want to enjoy the full sound experience. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.